Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Taylor 526E First Edition. But before we do so, I just wanted to let you know there's literally thousands of people signed up for the Acoustic Letter right now, and they absolutely love it. I want you to click the link below and see what our current subscribers have to say. If you like what they have to say, go ahead and sign up. You'll be happy that you did so. On to this Taylor 526E First Edition. This particular one is number 17 out of 100, and this is an exceptionally cool guitar, and I'm so happy that Taylor finally decided to make an all-solid tropical mahogany instrument. This 526E features tropical mahogany top with an ebony bridge pins, tusk saddle. We have Ivory binding, trimming the entire outside, and Ivory rosette as well. We also have tropical mahogany back, which is beautiful, nice straight grain, very, very consistent. The Taylor ES pickup system. We have an ebony fingerboard with Ivory inlay and Ivory binding. Mahogany neck with a slim carve. We have an ebony headstock overlay with a beautiful inlaid Ivory design, as well as Taylor inlaid in Ivory, also bound in Ivory. That's a lot of Ivory, but it really sets off the mahogany very nice. We also have chrome tuners, and like I said, that nice slim carved mahogany neck. So we're going to give this Taylor 526E First Edition a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.